Hi, my name is Dunya, and it is Sunny Life for everybody who wants it. Hopefully, your situation is more clear to you now, since you know all your resources, talents, abilities, and strengths, and you also know what you dream of, what makes you happy. But before any decision, it is crucial, it is so important that we read both Eckhart Tolle's books because he reveals in there the common primary goal for everybody in this moment of history, which serves you and mankind. So please just read it and be proud of yourself for getting on the sunny side